Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to create a Pinterest account. Just here you can search for Pinterest. After that, here you can see this is the official website. Just click here, and after that let's find sign up button. Here you can see this is the sign up button. Just click here. Also you can see here continue as username. Just click here. After that, click here sign up. Then add the date of birth. After that, click here create account. Here you can see account has been created. After that, fill up this detail, your country name, and now we need to select interests. Just we can select any 5. After that, click here done. Here you can see so the account is ready to use. If you want to create a new pin, just click here. After that, create a pin, but before that we need to create a board. Here you can see, just click here and add a board name. For example, we can give a name here, tech. After that, click here create. Now we can share anything.